If you're experiencing pending transfers on Kraken, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow this guide to help you fix the problem. Step 1. Check transaction status. Visit the Kraken website and log into your account. Navigate to the funding section and check the status of your pending transfers. This will give you an overview of any issues that may be affecting your transactions. Step 2. Verify payment method. Ensure that the payment method you use for the transfer is valid and has sufficient funds. If you are using a bank transfer, confirm that the bank account is linked and active. Step 3. Review transfer limits. Check if you have exceeded any transfer limits set by Kraken or your payment provider. If you have, you may need to wait until the limit resets or contact customer support for assistance. Step 4. Contact customer support. If the issue persists, reach out to Kraken's customer support. Provide them with details about the pending transfer, including the amount and date of the transaction, to help them assist you more effectively. Step 5. Wait for processing. Sometimes pending transfers may take longer due to network congestion or processing times. Be patient and allow some time for the transaction to complete. If it remains pending for an extended period, follow up with customer support again. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any issues with pending transfers on Kraken. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from their support team.